Quaresma with the first projection. Quaresma. Good ball. Gilbert sa Bautista. Bautista Reza. Suba. Gilbert Bautista. Again for Mr. Bautista. Go on for Bautista. Number 0, Gonzalez. So number 21, Bautista. Gonzalez wala pa rin. Bautista! Yun ang gusto ko, may foul. Second team foul. So once again. After that's a foul.
BBL community, of course, dito pa rin tayo sa Brittany Basketball League Season 8, and down on to our 4th Sunday this season ay we have concluded today na and piniinit nitong Annex versus Beverly itong last game natin kung saan, of course, nanaig itong Team Annex. Now back in the court is our best player of the game, na si Mr. Alvin Bautista, number 21 on his jersey with 24 points, 5 assists, 6 rebounds, and 3 steals. So first of all, congratulations po for having a good win today. Medyo malamig-lamig na yung panahon at court natin. So kamusta naman po yung laro? Paano nyo pa ma-explain nyo po sa amin kung paano kayo personally tinulungan ng team ninyo para makapag-perform ka personally at makapag-convert din in today's game?
Actually, binigyan lang nila ako ng kumpiyansa na tumira na kung ano yung komportable kong tira. Then, tinake advantage lang namin na kulang yung kalaban. Kaya medyo gumanda naman yung takbo ng game namin. Kaya nanalo.
Ayun, na-mention mo nga rin na medyo kulang tong kalaban ninyo, so you took advantage of it, and for sure naman naging effective naman ito yung naging strategy ninyo. So eto na lang, Sir Alvin, if you were to comment siguro sa performance mo today, if different ba to sa mga previous games nyo, because if I'm not mistaken 2-2 na kayo, 2 wins, losses. Sir Alvin, paano ito yung naging different yung game mo today?
Actually, lagi naman namin binibigay yung best namin kahit ng mga unang game namin. Nagkataon lang na medyo malakas talaga yung unang dalawang kalaban. Tapos yung una silat pa. Tapos yung pangalawa is defending champion. Bali, kahit paano naman is napakitaan naman namin sila magandang laban. Ngayon medyo nagje-gel na yung team namin kasi ako pinakabago sa team . Kaya masaya na tinanggap nila ako sa team nila. Yun lang.
Mahaba-haba pa yung eliminations. We're very much looking forward po sa mga games ninyo this season. Baka may gusto kong i-shoutout o batiin dyan. Now is the time.
Shoutout ko lang yung asawa ko, si Nerissa Santos. Mga tropa ko sa Annex, saka The Professional. Ito sa kabilang kalaban namin. Shoutout sa inyo. Kalad ka rin, saka OK South Basketball. Yun lang naman. Salamat.
Ayun, congratulations po once again, Sir Alvin, for being the best player of the game. At syempre, bonus na nanalo kayo for today's game. This has been your courtside bestie, Lala. Don't forget to like and follow our official Facebook page, Brittany Basketball League, and use your official hashtags. We are Brittany and Brittany Ballers. Kita-kits po tayo next Sunday.